Today I will tell you about a new method, how to make the whole mouse just quiet. When we first to connect this computer, we first push this button, and you can't control the mouse because you must to click. Okay, you can see this is connected. And another thing you will see, you can use it, but when you want to connect it, yeah, you can see clicked. There's no actions for that. But you must to hear the click sound. But how to use it as a quiet mouse, I just find a very useful thought. There are many thoughts to use it as a quiet mouse. Because sometimes when you go to the library, you don't want the other to hear about your click sound, right? So I found a very good thought is like this one. Okay, this is the Better Touch tool. Okay, just clicked it. Just remember it, clicked it. Okay, it will just appear that. You can see the magic thing just look like. You just make it quiet. Yeah, you just can clip it. There's nothing to hear about that. And you can also to screen it. And if you want to choose a word like this, just click to it. And you can see all the things. You can make it selected. It is amazing. I just want to introduce that. Yeah, there are some soft can solve the problem, but actually at the beginning, when I go to the Apple Store, they say that you must click like this. They don't know there are some functions that you can make the whole mouse just like a quiet mouse. It's really quiet, really, right? Just enjoy it.